Hello y'all, how you all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect. Are your girl, Debbie man from down a yard? Yeah? I do a little video for you, right? For you guys here right now. All of my little family. Come on, my little family, you know? Yeah, man, I'm a little YouTube family. Yeah. So, we're gonna do a little video. I'm gonna do a little Jamaican culture juice. All of you with the all bout up a yard all over know that juice that we are gonna make. Culture juice. Right in here, I have all of these things that we're using. We're gonna put a link for them in the description. So don't worry on yourself. I have some carrot, zoom in, make them see the color in. I have some carrot and some pumpkin that has been cooked. But the water that it was cooked in, it was left. So this is the water that it was cooked in. I didn't throw it out. So all of the nutrients and everything, nothing gone away, it's still in here. We cooked it and it was left in the water to cool. So this is the water that we use to cook it in. So it is carrot and pumpkin cooked. Alright. We're going to pour it inside a blender. Zoom right in, let them see what is happening. Right? I'm going to rinse this jug because I'm going to use it again when I'm through. So I'm just going to rinse it to get out the extra residue out of it. Alright. We're going to liquefy this purito. Zoom right in on it. You see the power it, family? Get right in. You see the power of it? Look at it. I'm not making a smoothie, you know. You'll see as I go along. Alright. Right here, I have a pack of vanilla lasco food drink. Our thing this down here, you know. Our Jamaican this. So I'm going to pour it right in. It is sweet. It has in, it's a milky, it's a milk based thing, but it has in sugar. Right? And right here, I have evaporated milk. Right? You know my thing with the evaporated milk, you know, right here. Okay. To this now, we're gonna add 2 dash of salt and a 3/4 cup of this vanilla, this size. We're gonna put a dash of fresh nutmeg, and I tell you at all times, nutmeg is toxic, so you need to use it in moderation. See what me putting in there? Put chops more, nothing more for me. Alright, that in, we're going to go back again. We're going to one more time for the rest. Zoom right in on it, let them see it. This is what it looks like, family, when we put in all the milk-based product. This is what it looks like. You see it? This is what it looks like. The carrot and the pumpkin. This is the strength of the carrot and the pumpkin. Okay. We're coming right over here. If you want to put some additional sweetener like sugar, extra condensed milk, fine, you know, but as I told you, the food drink, look at it. Look at the color of it. Look at it. Look at it, family. Look at it. Look at the creaminess. What the evaporated milk and the lasco do to it. Alright, now. We have some ice over here. And we're going to get it, a few of it, into a glass. No problem. We have, we want some extra ice inside of this glass. Okay. So we're gonna pour. This is for the under 18. To this now, this is for the 18 and over, and you know you need to drink responsibly. So we have this Guinness, but we're going to pour it right in. But we're going to use a little strainer because remember me tell you, put your hand and make sure everything is fine, the back don't crack or anything. So we're going to pour in the Guinness. So the power of the Guinness family, it's going to change it a bit, you know. But it's the Guinness now is going to make it into the culture. That was just plain carrot and pumpkin. But with the addition of the Guinness now, and we're going to notch it up with a small, probably about a half shot of the white rum. That is what is going to make it into the culture juice. This is as it is, just plain carrot and pumpkin juice. This is what is going to make it into the culture juice now. So we're going to put a half shot of the white rum with the Guinness in there. Remember, this is for 18 and over, and you need to drink responsibly. So we're going to pour right in a half shot. Remember, I told you the Guinness was just going to change the color. Zoom right in on it, let them see. The Guinness and the white rum turned it into the culture juice. Right? This is just a plain pumpkin and carrot. Look at it. Zoom in. Look at it. You see the richness? We cook the carrot and the pumpkin and we use the same water and we puree it out. Look at it, family. Look at it. Okay, now. Big people drinks time now. Right in. Zoom right in. Look at it. Look at it. Going right over the ice. Let me clean up. There you have it. Jamaican culture juice from West Indian Delight. And you know I'm going to clean up my little area because of course I have to taste the 18 and over. And remember, if you are breastfeeding, if you are pregnant, you know you're not supposed to have any of this. If you're on medication, you're supposed to drink this one as long as you can drink milk-based product. But 18 and over, drink responsibly. Mothers that are breastfeeding, that's a straight no-no. Okay, this one would be for you. So listen to me now. From my kitchen to yours, it's Jamaican culture juice. And you know, of course, I'm going to taste. And I'm going to taste the 18 and over. And I know to drink responsibly because I can hold my liquor. So you know, if you're going to drive, don't drink it. And if you drink it, you got to let somebody else drive. So from my kitchen to yours again, cheers. Drink responsibly. Me look almost me forgot some of the pan camera in a family. This rich creaminess. You might want a little more sugar, but for me, this is fine. So if you want a little more sweetener, you can add a few spoons of condensed milk or a little G sugar. You don't want to put any dark sugar to change the whole color of it. So, cheers once more. Yeah, man. If you like this little culture juice video, you can give it a thumbs up. Okay? And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And thank you for making it West Indian Delights. When you do so, when you finally make this culture juice, leave your comments below. Tell me how it tastes. Alright? And turn on your notification. Because where these coming from, we have lots and lots more. Listen to me now, man. Culture time. Debbie from Donga Yard.